We saw in the previous video how to use Formfacade add-on to integrate Google Forms into a React app. In this video, we will see how to prefill fields in the embedded form. Now, let's open the Google form that you have embedded in your React app. Click on the More button, then click on the Get Prefilled Link option. Now, let's prefill the fields with some random value and click Get Link. Click on the Copy button displayed at the bottom left of the screen. Open your VS Code and paste it somewhere for the future reference. Now let's open the official documentation for embed-react from Formfacade. Now let's jump into the example section for the prefill functionality. Now copy this code and paste it in your code base. Now head back to the documentation and copy the function definition for prefill form and paste it in your code base. Now let's extract the entry ID for the form using the link which we copied earlier. Copy and paste all the entry ID in the URL. Now let's assign values for each field. Save your changes, open the React app, refresh the page. We can now see that the date field and the checkbox value are getting pre-filled. The working demo and the documentation for the Formfacade React package will be provided in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.